talk. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new straightener that I want to test out. I got this straightener for my birthday from my boyfriend. So this is the box. This is a cheese straightener and it is only at Ulta Beauty. I just wanted to open this up and wanted to see what it looked like and what it came with and everything, and show you guys also and maybe test it out. I don't have any mirrors in front of me, so it's gonna be hard to try to test it here, but we'll do our best, will we? You get a little pouch for free and a little okay, so it's a bonus heat resistant pouch, and you get 2 fluid ounces of Iron Guard, which is the Chi heat protectant. I couldn't talk. It also has 1 hour auto shut off. So that's great because sometimes I'll go to work and I'm like, oh my gosh, should I turn my straightener off or not? So I'll start freaking out. It's also got a 2-year limited warranty and it's got international use. So that's awesome. It's got dual voltage. And it's 1-inch tourmaline ceramic hairstyling iron. What else does it have? It's got ceramic plates. The benefits of that is create silky, shiny hair, instantly locks in moisture. It's also got LED temperature control, customized heat setting for your hair type, features 30-second heat up, heats up to 210 Celsius, 410 Fahrenheit, and it's also got 11-foot cord that swivels. So that's great. So let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Here it is. Yay! There it is. So inside, like it said, it has a little heat protectant from Chi, and then it's got like a little booklet that obviously tells you about the straightener, and then here's the actual straightener right here, and it comes in this little bubble wrap. Take that off, and then right there. Ooh, it feels really smooth, and it's pink. Yay! Isn't it cute? How cute is a straightener? And then inside of here is the little pouch. I'm gonna open that up. And here is the pouch, so you can put it in there. It's heat resistant. So here's the little pouch. And it's got the Chi logo on it, on the zipper. And you open it up, and it's orange on the inside. Cool. The little silica gel things. I love these colors, they're so bright. Got this little thing there for keeping the cord together. Look how long the cord is. Huge. There's the straightener. It's got this little protective thing on the cord, on the plug-in thing, so immediately says that the power is on, so this little button turned the power button, I don't know if you guys can see, right there, turn on. It's red, and I guess we'll do it on 410. So you turn on, there's a little button, I'll show you guys up close, but there's a little button of on and off button that you turn on. Once it turns on, the Fahrenheit starts blinking, and there's a plus and a minus button right here on the side next to the power button. And so if you go up, it'll go up to the different temperatures. And so right now I put it on 410. It is starting to heat up, that's for sure. So I'm just going to use my pouch here to rest it on the pouch because I don't have anything else. And I wanted to test it out for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so I'm gonna put my hair half up. It is a little bit still damp because I just took a shower. So I just took a shower and let it dry, air dry. Didn't do anything else to it. Alright, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of this heat protectant in my hair before trying to straighten it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do half straight and half curly, just to see, because it does say you can do it curly or straight. So it already heated up. Once it heats up to the temperature, it stops blinking. So it stopped blinking. So I'm just going to take a little piece. And I do have to look in the viewfinder, guys, because I don't have a mirror. So if you see me looking, it already feels so much better than my old straightener. Like, and I'm not really doing it like the proper way. You know, in salons they have a little, they hold the comb just so you don't put your hand on it right after. I honestly cannot really see what it's doing, but it feels good. I'll show you guys up close, but it definitely feels great on the hair. Alright, and then this side I will try to curl it. Okay, I'm going to clamp it and turn it, and then like that. It's really hard to do it without a mirror because I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I think it curled it. And what I like about this right now is that it's not making my hair staticky. It's been so staticky lately, it's been crazy. And I think it's the plaits. So we're gonna take a little bit more down of my hair. I don't have a whole lot of hair, so it's not like super thick or anything like that. So I can get my hair done, curled or straightened in no time. It does feel great, guys. It really feels great. Let's see. I'll do my bangs. I usually kind of have to part my bangs before. So I'm just gonna... It really makes a difference if you have a good straightener on how your hair looks like. And again, I forgot to put heat protectant on. Oh well. We'll be okay, right? We will be okay. Alright, so I'm going to try this kind of up close. So here's that. And I'm going to twist it. Hold on. And there's the curl. And there's the straight side. Alright guys, so overall, I think the straightener is amazing. I really like it. Sorry, I literally just tried to re-straighten my hair a little bit. Because you know, I curl this side and then I straighten this side. And I'm about to film another video, so I don't want to look too crazy on camera. So I went ahead and off camera, kind of straightened a little bit of this side, but left a little bit curly on the front and like wavy in the front. And then waved this side as well for a little bit more volume. But final thoughts, I do love the straightener. It feels so good on the hair. I love how smooth it is. I love how smooth it makes my hair feel, and it doesn't make it like staticky or anything like that. It's got lots of different options for heat, so depending on your hair, like if it's thicker or thinner, you know, it's great for that. And I love the color. I love that it comes with a pouch, a heat protectant pouch, and everything else about it I really like, and I definitely recommend if you are thinking about getting a new straightener that's not too crazy expensive, but it's still of great quality. So thumbs up for the straightener. Woohoo! Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like if you did enjoy it. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye!